Hey, Jack, have you started planning for the vacation yet?
Oh, I've been meaning to get to that. Have you decided where you want to go?
Well, I'm leaning towards the beach. Somewhere warm and relaxing.
That sounds perfect. A nice beach vacation sounds like exactly what we need.
I agree. We could go snorkeling, try out some local seafood, and just unwind.
I'm sold. I'll check out some options tonight. Do you have any specific places in mind?
Maybe the Caribbean. I've always wanted to visit the Bahamas.
The Bahamas. That's definitely on my list. I heard the water is crystal clear.
Exactly. Plus, we could stay in a resort with an all-inclusive package.
Sounds like a dream. I'm already picturing the ocean breeze.
We could book some excursions too, like a dolphin encounter.
That's a great idea. I've never been that close to dolphins before.
Me neither. It would be amazing to swim with them.
It definitely would be. So, when are we thinking of going?
How about next summer? It would give us enough time to save up and plan everything.
Next summer sounds good. I'll make sure to take time off work.
Perfect. I'll start looking at flights this week.
I'll research some resorts. I want to find a place with lots of activities.
Same. We need to make the most of our time there. That sounds ideal. A little bit of both would be perfect.
I'll make a list of things to do. We can mix adventure with relaxation.
Yes. We can make a plan to split the costs for the trip.
I'll also look for deals. We should get the best bang for our buck.
Oh, they'd love it. We could rent a big villa or something.
Agreed. It'll make everything easier and more affordable.
I can already imagine all the group pictures we'll take.
I was thinking of asking Sarah and Mark. They've been talking about the trip too.
Definitely. We'll have to capture every moment.
That would work. We could all share the space and have more fun together.
That's a great idea. I love looking back at vacation photos.
Yeah, we'll need to bring a good camera for those.
So, do you think we should rent a car or just use taxis while we're there?
And we can make a scrapbook when we get back.
Good point. We'll be able to drive to different beaches and attractions.
Same here. The memories always bring a smile to my face.
I'll check if the resort offers transportation to popular places too.
Renting a car might be cheaper, and it'll give us more freedom to explore.
I'm already picturing us on the beach with a drink in hand.
Exactly. I'll look up rental companies that have good deals.
It'll be a well-deserved break. I've been feeling pretty burned out lately.
Sounds like a plan. We're going to have so much fun.
Agreed. I can't wait to just disconnect and enjoy the peaceful surroundings.
Same. We can relax under an umbrella and just enjoy the sun.
So, should we set a budget for the trip?
I hear you. This vacation is exactly what we need to recharge.
Sounds smart. I'd like to splurge a little on a nice dinner at a fancy restaurant.
I'm looking forward to it too. It'll be a great escape from everyday stress.
Definitely. And we can have a nice romantic sunset picnic too.
Yeah, let's decide how much we want to spend. We can prioritize the things that matter most.
Agreed. Maybe we could bring some fresh fruit and cheese for the picnic.
I'm on board with that. A fancy dinner with ocean views sounds amazing.
Me too. I'm excited for the seafood platters.
Perfect. A sunset picnic would be the highlight of the trip.
Oh yes. I'm definitely going to try fresh mangoes and pineapples.
Great idea. Simple but delicious.
I've heard of that. I'd love to try it while watching the sunset.
I want to try all the seafood, lobster, shrimp, and fresh fish.
We'll make a list of the best restaurants and bars on the island.
And I heard the tropical fruit there is amazing.
I'm gonna make a list of the must-see sites too. We need to explore the island properly.
We should try some of the local drinks too. I've heard about a drink called rum punch.
Exactly. We can mix sightseeing with plenty of time to relax on the beach.
That sounds perfect. We'll have to find the best spots for both food and drinks.
I can already picture us lounging in beach chairs, reading books, and people watching.
Good idea. We don't want to miss out on the best experiences.
Agreed. We'll have plenty of time to do everything we want without feeling stressed.
I agree. The last thing we want is to miss something amazing because we didn't plan ahead.
Absolutely, I'm so excited.
Yes, we'll have the perfect balance.
It sure is. We'll make tons of memories and have so much fun.
That sounds like the ideal vacation. Nothing too rushed, just lots of relaxation. I'll make sure we book everything soon. The sooner we start, the better.
I'll start looking for flights as soon as possible. We don't want to miss out on good deals.
Sounds perfect. I'll take care of the resort search tonight.
Great! We're gonna make this the best trip ever.
You know it. We've got this.
Can't wait to hit the beach with you.
Me neither. It's going to be amazing.